Welcome to the College Guide, your go-to resource for career development and success. I bet you didn't know that a staggering 85% of jobs are filled through networking. This means that who you know is just as important as what you know. In today's competitive job market, building a strong network in college is no longer optional, it's essential. Networking opens doors to opportunities you might otherwise miss. It connects you with like-minded individuals, mentors, and potential employers. Networking is about building genuine relationships, not just collecting business cards. It's about sharing your passions, learning from others, and expanding your horizons. When you invest in your network, you invest in your future. The relationships you cultivate in college can have a lasting impact on your career trajectory. Many students find networking daunting. Shyness, fear of rejection, and a perceived lack of opportunities are common challenges. It's important to remember that everyone feels nervous at first. The key is to start small and focus on building authentic connections. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with classmates, professors, and guest speakers. Attend workshops and career fairs to meet professionals in your field. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow your network. With practice, networking will become less intimidating and more enjoyable. There are many ways to build a strong network in college. Attending industry events, such as conferences and workshops, allows you to connect with professionals in your field. Engage in conversations, exchange contact information, and follow up afterwards to nurture those connections. Social media platforms like LinkedIn provide a powerful tool for connecting with professionals and showcasing your skills. Create a professional profile, join relevant groups, and engage in industry discussions. Don't underestimate the power of connecting with your professors and alumni. They often have valuable industry connections and can provide mentorship and guidance. Let's meet Sarah, a recent graduate who landed her dream internship through networking. Sarah attended a campus workshop on digital marketing, where she met a marketing executive from a leading tech company. Impressed by Sarah's enthusiasm and insightful questions, the executive invited her to connect on LinkedIn. Sarah maintained contact with the executive, sharing relevant articles and industry updates. When an internship opportunity arose at the company, the executive remembered Sarah and encouraged her to apply. Thanks to her proactive networking efforts, Sarah secured the internship and gained valuable experience in her field. Networking is not about shortcuts, it's about building meaningful relationships that can open doors to opportunities. By attending events, utilizing social media, and connecting with mentors, you can build a powerful network that will serve you well throughout your career. Remember, your network is your net worth. Start building yours today. What networking steps will you take this week to advance your career goals? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like our channel for more tips and resources on career development.